Today, I'm going to show you how to write Facebook ad copy with ChatGPT in a fast, simple way that can save you a ton of time when creating ads. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to write a headline, benefits, and a call to action that actually gets attention, this method will help you get a strong first draft in seconds. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more practical AI and marketing tips like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or in the app. Once you're inside, you want to start with one clear prompt instead of overcomplicating it. The goal here is to give ChatGPT enough direction so it knows exactly what kind of Facebook ad copy you need. Type this prompt. Write a high-converting Facebook ad copy for your product or service with headline, benefits, and call to action. Now, where it says your product or service, replace that with what you're actually promoting. For example, if you sell fitness coaching, you could say fitness coaching for busy professionals. If you run an online store, you could say skincare products for acne-prone skin. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a version of the ad copy for you. Usually, it will give you a headline, some benefits, and a CTA, which is a great starting point. But the real power comes from the next step, because you can quickly customize the copy to match your brand and your offer. If the first version feels a little too generic, ask ChatGPT to make it more catchy. That helps sharpen the language and make the ad feel more attention-grabbing. If you want to push people to act faster, tell it to add urgency. That can help with phrases that create momentum, scarcity, or time-sensitive appeal. And if you need something that works better for Facebook scrolling behavior, ask it to make it short and engaging, so the copy is easy to read quickly. You can do this in a simple back and forth. For example, after the first response, say, make it more catchy. Then try, add urgency. Then try, make it short and engaging. Each prompt helps refine the copy until it sounds more like an ad and less like a rough draft. A really helpful tip is to ask for multiple versions at once. You can tell ChatGPT to give you 3 headlines, 3 benefit sections, or 3 different calls to action. That way, you can test different angles and choose the one that fits your audience best. For Facebook ads, having a few options is always better than using only one. You can also ask ChatGPT to match a specific tone. For example, if your brand is professional, friendly, bold, or playful, include that in your follow-up prompt. You could say, rewrite this in a friendly and persuasive tone, or make it sound premium and high-converting. These small details can make a big difference in how the ad feels. Once you're happy with the final version, simply copy the ad copy and paste it into Facebook Ads Manager. From there, you can place the headline, primary text, and CTA into the correct sections of your campaign. Always review it one more time before publishing to make sure it matches your offer, your audience, and your landing page. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've used ChatGPT to write Facebook ad copy faster, easier, and with a lot less stress. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can generate solid ad copy, refine it, and get it ready to use in minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more AI-powered workflows that can save you time and improve your marketing results.